Parenting styles and discipline. When it comes to the different parenting styles, we gauge on the basis of warmth and control. So, accepting versus unaccepting, demanding versus undemanding. We are going to look at each parenting style through the lens of warmth and control, the relationship between the parents and the children, the types of mental states or issues that the parents could potentially be dealing with as they are using certain parenting styles, the potential outcomes of the children as they have been raised this way, and the discipline style that traditionally goes along with this type of parenting. The four styles of parenting include authoritarian, permissive, uninvolved, and authoritative parenting. Authoritarian parenting style combines high control with little warmth. These parents lay down the rules and expect them to be followed without discussion. The relationship is controlling and power assertive. At such a time as it was socially acceptable for children to be seen and not heard, this style of parenting would also take this stance that this is the expectation for these children. There is little give and take between parent and child because authoritarian parents do not consider the needs or wishes of their children in most cases. Authoritarian parents likely deal with their own issues of perfectionism, possibly narcissism. They could potentially provoke conflict in the workplace, blame shift, shame, demean, belittle, even demoralize others. And they could even struggle to take responsibility for their own actions. When a child has been raised by an authoritarian parent or caregiver, the outcome of the child could likely be that they are unhappy. They tend to lie or maybe rebel a lot. They could possess low self-esteem and feel less independent over other children their age. They might engage in bullying others. They may struggle academically and could even give up easily. They could struggle with decision making because they likely have not been given many opportunities to make decisions. When it comes to the discipline style of the authoritarian parent or caregiver, authoritarian parents may use punishments instead of discipline. So rather than teach a child how to make better choices, they're invested in making their kids feel sorry for their mistakes. Keep in mind that punishment focuses on past misbehaviors and offers very little to nothing to really help a child behave better in the future, while discipline is a positive method of teaching a child self-control, confidence, and responsibility. It's interesting, when this form of punishment is used, the authoritarian parent who punishes the child then becomes responsible for that child's behavior. This is really where that old saying comes in, this will hurt me more than it hurts you. In most cases, when feedback does occur, it is often followed by yelling, screaming, potentially corporal punishment. In any case, it generally is negative.